Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the device list, to your phone you will see this menu. Now go to Ambient Control. And firstly we need to enable ANC, so tap at this left icon here. And what we can do, we can adjust this ANC level. So by default it's set to maximum, and you can lower it. Right here we have 5 sections, so you can lower it by move this circle to the left, or you can increase it by move it to the right, and now you can set something good for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!